In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Facebook account on PC in 2023. So go to Facebook and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. And then from here, we want to select settings and privacy. And now we select settings. So you will be taken to a new page right here on the left hand side under the meta section. You want to select see more in accounts center. So you will be taken to a new page, and from here again on the left hand side we want to select personal details, and the very last option is this: manage your data, modify your legacy content, deactivate or delete your accounts and profiles. So if we just select this option right here, as you can see we have deactivation or deletion. So click on it, select the account that you want to deactivate or delete, and here is where you actually select the option whether you just want to temporarily deactivate your account or if you want to delete it. So we're just going to click on delete, and then you click on continue, and your account will be deleted. So hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.